So the first question says, select a number shown by the model. Mark all that apply. So you have to pick more than one, probably more than one of these. And you're going to mark that down here. Question 2. 0.2 is equivalent to 2 over 100. Remember, equivalent means equal. True or false? And click one of these down here. 0.2 is equivalent to 2 over 100. Question 3. 70 over 100 is equivalent to 7 over 10. True or false? Click your answer down here. Question 4. After selling some lemonade and cookies, Vivian and her brother Gil had 7 $1 bills, 8 quarters, and 6 dimes. They agreed to divide the money equally. What is the total amount of money that Vivian and Gil earned? What is the total amount of money that Vivian and Gil earned? And explain. You'll do that right here. Part B, or question 5. Gil said that he and Vivian cannot get equal amounts of money because 7 $1 bills cannot be divided evenly. Do you agree with Gil? Explain. Gil said that he and Vivian cannot get equal amounts of money because 7 $1 bills cannot be divided evenly. Do you agree with Gil? Explain. Question 6. Trisha walked 9/10 of a mile to school. Shade the model so you're not going to do that, but write it as a decimal to show how far Trisha walked. Write that as a decimal to show how far Trisha walked. 7. Chaz needs $4.77 for his new batteries. He has $2.80. He needs this amount more to have enough money for the batteries. So fill in the number of dollars and cents he needs in order to have enough for the batteries. Maya and 3 of her friends have 3 quarters and 1 nickel to spend. If Maya and her friends share the money equally, how much will each person get? So Maya and 3 of her friends have 3 quarters, 1 nickel to spend. How much will each person get if you find it, if you share it equally? Explain how you got your answer. You need to explain. 9. Jen is making a recipe for pancakes. A recipe calls for 4/10 kilogram of flour and 12/100 kilogram of sugar. If Jen measures correctly and combines the 2 amounts, how much flour and sugar will she have? So if she measures these correctly and combines the 2 amounts, how much will she have? How can you write that answer as a decimal? So that's referring to the one above. So you get your answer. How can you write that as a decimal? 11. 0.2 is greater than 0.25. True or false? 12. 0.32 is less than 0.65. True or false? Janine lives 0.6 miles from school. Kate lives 0.51 miles from school. Who lives closer to school? So that means who has to walk less? And explain your answer. And when you're done, click submit. At the top, do not forget your name. It won't let you submit if you do not write your name. And that is all.